Hey guys, welcome back to MoranFamilyTV. So today is a very exciting day. It is the boys' dad's fiance's birthday and we're going out to brunch. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us to see where we go and how our day goes today. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below to our channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, we want to tell you thank you so much for coming back and rocking with us. Okay, so remember when I told you guys that one of my goals this year is to get back into fashion more and to like show my outfit of the days more. When we go outside, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have on today. If you want to know specifically where I got everything from, you can let me know in the comments and I will let you guys know. Okay, so let's go.
Different lives. I'm so glad that you're by my side. We gonna always ride or die. Reach every goal cause we always aim high. You don't know what you mean to me, even though we might not always agree. There's no place I'd rather be. The Moran family, yeah. Moran, saved and redeemed. Moran, oh what a team. Moran, no place I'd rather be. Moran, saved and redeemed. Oh, what a team. Moran, no place I'd rather be. Saved and redeemed. Oh, what
Okay guys, so this wasn't something that we had planned ahead of time. So because of that, I didn't get a chance to get her a birthday card. So we are at Target and we're going to go ahead and get her a birthday card. Okay, found the birthday card. Hope is sprinkled with live sweet things you deserve it. Oh, I like this one. Okay, so this one. I think this one's super cute. And we're going to brunch, so this is super cute. So we're gonna get this one. Hi.
First time at Too Urban?
No.
She's waiting for me at the bar. I think our bar is right around this way. Okay. Thank you.
How are you?
Doing good.
husband's corny joke. How old are you?
Old enough.
Old enough just one time.
Old enough. Old enough to enjoy this drink that is coming my way. On my little solo adventure in Atlanta.
Have you ever traveled alone? Girl? I don't know. I'm too scared.
Why?
Too long got the bag.
I mean, I have traveled alone once. So I wish.
That looks so good.
So of course I had to drag her to the mall because you guys know I love the mall. Okay, so we're done shopping. Now we're sitting because our feet our feet is killing us. So we're gonna relax a little bit. And I don't know, what are we doing next?
I don't know. It's relaxing. I'm not thinking about anything past not having any shoes on.
So we'll see what we do next. If not, we'll be heading home. So there's a tornado warning. So we're low-key kind of stuck in the mall. Like everyone, the lights just went off. We're in Nordstrom and the lights just went off. It just came back on. Yeah. Pretty scary. Yeah, but we're just gonna entertain you for a little bit. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna stop being goofy.
My
Okay.
hair looks longer than it is. It looks longer than what it is.
No, is that long? Okay. All right. So since we're stuck in Nordstrom and everyone's looking at us because we're like probably the loudest people in the room
It'd be like
right
that.
now. Okay, so I know you guys are wondering how do we do it. So I'll let you go first.
So I'm Elena, and I am dating Alan, who is Jalen and Tyler's dad. So we're co-parenting at its finest. Co-momming this thing. So I guess that's my best way to put it. So it's your turn.
Okay, so, you know, because I know people are probably like, you know, so yeah, so as she said, she is the boy's dad's fiance. So there's a wedding this year that we will be attending, and hopefully she lets me get the behind the scenes for you guys at the wedding, so I could, so I could put it on the YouTube. But yes, but we're just, you know, I don't see why we shouldn't be friends and shouldn't hang out because, you know, we're gonna be in each other's life, what, forever or whatever, as long as she's married to the boy's dad, and that's just how it works. So yeah, so today was her birthday, so we're just pretty much just hanging out, having fun at the mall. We're stuck here because there's a tornado watch. There's a tornado watch, so therefore we're just kind of walking around Nordstrom right now.
Right. Watching people fall down.
They need to turn that thing off. Like, I have no idea why they still have it on. They have a caution sign for this one, but not for upstairs. So, yeah. But yeah, but that's it, guys. It's pretty plain and simple. Once you get to the point of maturity and you're able to co-parent and coexist, your kids are happier. You get to be able to do more stuff as a family. Like, I want my kids to be safe. So in order for me to feel like they're safe, I need to have a relationship with the other woman who's gonna be in their life. So that's just what it is, plain and simple.
You can have my kid.
Have you seen our latest video? If not, it's right under this box, literally. Like, just click the box right below here, this box here, click it, and you will see our latest upload. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel. That's over in that box. We'll see you guys in our next video.